There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
Halika na at ika'y sumali sa Team Maharot, di ka iiwan sa ere. Gusto mo bang umangat? Halika na at ang channel mo'y ilapag. Magsama-sama tayo saan ka man sa mundo. Feel at home ka lang, kaibigan, dahil welcome ka dito. Welcome ka dito sa Imarian Show.
Hi! Here's my Apple Watch Series 8. I bought it at Costco for $360. Only! What? Sale! Okay, come join me! I'll show you my... Here is my new Apple Watch Series 8. Here is the charger. And this is the watch. Color. What's the color of this, Asia? Gray. Brown. I can make it. Here's the bracelet. Happy New Year, Dad! Hey! Thank you.
Oh, look, this is my Android.
Here is the bracelet. My new Series 8 Apple Watch.
Magsama-sama tayo.
Sana all.